This is where we block the traffic.
Out here like a nuclear, no fear, no right
Drive by chip clock, automatic. Me squeeze off, hands release off. This is where we block the traffic.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Viewers, subscribers, you know say they attacking boss NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. They are my people. So right about now, my people. Zane, you hear that song the people? Well, me I telling you the truth. Another song that me a feature people, but why me play the piece of the song from the artist? Well, this artist goes by the name of Brawling Boss El Tigo. No joke about it, people. And you hear the clarity where I'm getting in voice, people. You hear the, just listen to all the artist sound. As me tell the people, that's not the song me I got talk about. That's not the song me I feature, my people. But why me play it, people? Just to make you hear so the artist naturally talented. Well, the song that I'm going to feature from the artist, people, titled Real G. Zine. So what me I go do? Me I go play a piece of the song right now, my viewers and subscribers, so you can hear the piece of it. Then me I go in a full explanation about the whole thing, about Brawling Boss El Tigo, and what really inspired him to come up with this song called Real G. Listen to this, people.
That I'm a real G, real G, real predator beside me. Every night we step the street crying. Killers attack at me, rapid them spitting it. Chip glocks so ugly like when China kicking it. Me never have a fire fist stand up and try defend it. Take one myself like Lucien pan the finishing. What kind of scrimmage this? Friends I move mysteries. Don't mix up the brawling, don't put me in a middle thing.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you hear the song, right? And basically, you can get the meaning even though it's a short and spicy part. I go now because I want to listen to the full thing on his YouTube Viva channel, my people. Well, title of the song name, Real G. Sadly, people, the real G that this song was inspired to write about, people, is no longer with us on earth, people. He is gone, see, because he was killed in Jamaica. And what really inspired Brawling Boss to write this song, my viewers and subscribers, is all because his friend was murdered by another friend. You understand? So basically, people, him have a close friend, and what happened? His close friend have another friend who he thought was his friend, but deep inside wasn't his friend, and he was murdered by him. And that is what really inspired Brawling Boss to come up with this song. And when I listen to the whole song, my people, you can feel it. It all come like say you was there with him. Can you go hear the words and the pain where the man are tell in the song, people, from him heart. You understand? Real G from Brawling Boss El Tigo. So what I going to do, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know NEWLINK always do it, people. Me always give the song them free, don't? Okay, now have to pay nothing to feed the people. Just check below in the description and the link will be right there. All you have to do, my people, click on the link, and once you click on the link, it'll take you right over there to Brawling Boss El Tigo, Viva, my people, and all of you watch the full song. And please remember, people, comment and let you know that the attacking boss NEWLINK sent you. Remember, please subscribe to his Viva channel, people, because artists like this, people, will have to put them out there, people. Artists like this, people, them definitely need a spot in a dance hall, because yo, you know, so a dance hall are going on, people. Real G from Brawling Boss El Tigo. And please, people, follow his IG. Me I gonna leave the link to him IG also. Follow him IG, people. Follow Twitter, Facebook, Brawling Boss El Tigo, and support the artist. And him have a lot of other songs over there, plus music with them, people. So yo, Brawling Boss El Tigo, Real G, a real song, real pain from him art, people. So you don't know, me I gonna leave you with a message from Brawling Boss El Tigo, the man himself, people. And you can definitely remember, check out the artist, Brawling Boss El Tigo, Real G. Remember, people, check below in the description for the link right over there. Peace out. Fully one attack.
Fully concrete, fully brawling, what El Tigo. You know, we go amigo. Killers attack at me, rapid them spitting it. Chip glocks so ugly like when China kicking it. Me never have a fire fist stand up and try defend it. Take up myself like you see and pound the finishing. What kind of skimmage this? Friends I move mischievous. Now if you get caught up in another spot there. Now if you out there right now get caught up in our things happening in our surrounding and them give have a clue to what go on. You see what I say? And you see by the end of the day, It's like a finger one point for them direction, my friend, where them they have a clue to where I go on, my friend. That's why I have to say, born friend killer dog, and enough of them look style they put enough man life in a danger youth. Me I tell you, Jaja, one brawling, one LT go, you know, we go and me go, out here like a nuclear with no fear. Right here.